Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fishing Eagle. Today, we're at an inland lake in southern Michigan. We're going to be chasing some big old bluegills and shell crackers, crappies, maybe even a few walleyes. So come along, let's see what we can get into today. Shots, a single hook, and a bobber stopper about 3 feet above the hook. Now we're using these little tiny 1-inch gulp minnows, which come in a little jar like this. You see them in there? This is the Gulp Alive 1-inch minnow. The body about a 1/2 inch and then poke it out the back so that the point of the hook is exposed, but the minnow is going to ride like that. So it's kind of not flat, not pointed straight up and down, but kind of like at an angle like that. You see? What is that?
You put those on your video? I just told you. You don't have to edit it now. Oh.
One took you down already in there, huh? I think you're going to swim back. You're going to swim back. That's because you sided with the weatherman.
That's way helpful.
Whoa.
Look at that.
It's crappie. Or a huge bluegill. Or a bass. I can't tell. It's fighting pretty hard, though. Is that a largie? What is it? I can't see. It's a largie.
Oh, really?
Hey.
That makes a big little bluegill.
Those bass are under that dock. Oh. Look.
You are the king of touching the tinies today.
Is that a crappie? Sandhill crane. Is that a rocky? That's a rocky.
Oh, it's got pretty fins on the bottom.
Yeah, it's a rock bass.
Huh. I don't remember their fins looking like that.
I know. I've never seen one with such black belly. Beautiful. Beautiful fish, isn't he? Look at his orange eyes. Oh, look at the size of that snapping turtle. See his head sticking up?
I see his head, but I don't see nothing else.
That's what made the splash. It's not a fish. It's a big snapper.
I don't want to catch that.
No, no, no. He's like, I'm a turtle.
What are you catching?
Bluegills,
This is a slimy.
bass, tons of bass.
Really?
Oh, there's so many bass in here.
I'll tell my son.
There-
He's so sad he's missing it though.
Aw. I know how to do a worm. My dad taught me that.
Your dad does fish with worms a lot.
I know. That's all we caught bluegill with. But they were smaller than that.
Hey,
That
go
guy's
get him,
pretty
baby.
big.
Go get
Oh,
him.
you fixed it?
No, I mean, it was fine. I just kind of ran the hook
Yeah,
through there a little extra. She got a nice bass.
baby.
Little largie.
They really hit it, too.
He just kind of sucked it in, huh?
I don't know.
They love them big joshies.
He was on the end.
As soon as
Size of the other one. Bye, buddy. You can go on this side now.
As soon as it sinks, like as soon, instantly, as soon as this thing sinks, I'm on them. Oh, that's a bluegill there. That's a big, big gill. Yeah. That's a big gill. We got, that's the one. That's the kind we're looking for.
Oh, yeah, that's a pretty one.
Yeah, that's the size. That's the size.
Oh, look at it through my glasses. It looks more peach.
Oh, I bet. Oh, your glasses are so cool. I wish I could wear glasses. Oh boy, he was just skin hooked. I know. Skin-a-marinky dinky dink. Looks like his. Oh, look at his back.
Oh, ew, better let him go. Who knows?
Yeah. What do you mean? Who's on the outskirts of the weeds?
The ball.
Oh, yeah.
I keep catching.
Oh, you got him? Oh, nice one, honey. He's a little bigger than the last one, isn't he?
Hi.
Oh, good job. Hey, try not to hit me with your bass, all right? That's a nice bass.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, he licked me.
He licked you.
Oh my God, almost into his eyeball. I'm sorry.
You just want to switch hands that
No,
way?
it's fine. Go.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, stop licking me.
Stop licking me.
Yes, his tongue was like.
Look at these.
That's another fish.
Yeah, me too. Oh.
What?
Ooh, whoa.
Oh, you didn't want a fist bump.
Fish bump?
Fish bump.
Hopefully that produces you a nice fish. A fast swimmer. Nice bluegill. Off the bed. No, but it's a bluegill. What we're looking for today. Nice. Yeah, she smoked them. What do you got there? You got a bass? You sure do. you need a net?
Oh, yeah, I think so. I don't know how strong he's going away.
That's 4-pound test. Oh, he ain't that big.
No, he's not, but he's feisty. Oh, I got to gild him.
Here, bring him over here and I'll grab him for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I gilled him. Oh, buddy. He's about the same size I've been catching.
Maybe a hair smaller, yeah.
He's got pretty, like, oh, maybe it's my glasses. No, he's got pretty, like,
iridescent spots.
Like right under his eyes.
Oh, wow. Cool. That's a beautiful little fish. Aren't bass just, yeah, they're green. And some people call them ditch pickles.
Ditch pickle?
Yeah, but I love them.
I've never heard of that.
I love them. They're so great. Yep.
Oh, it is.
Well, I think they're feeding on smaller baits today, honey. This guy doesn't have the iridescent nose like the other one did. See, they're all unique in little ways.
How many I missed?
Is that another bass? She is a bass magnet.
How am I going to do this?
Super foggy morning. Day 2. We're going to start out trolling for walleyes. Well, we got ourselves 2 families of geese raising their goslings together. Really nice. Now here we have the eagle eye. Fitting for the fishing eagle, isn't it? Well, behind the boat is where I have my transducer pointed, and if you look right here, you can see this little line. Watch when I move my rod. See that? That's the lure that I'm trolling. It's diving 10 feet down. I'm trying to entice a walleye to eat, but all these marks that we're seeing here are panfish, like bluegills and crappies, which crappies will hit this crankbait, but I'm actually trying to get one of these inland lake walleyes to take a swipe at it. So far I haven't seen any marks that resemble walleyes, but I'll get back to you if I do. We found the schools of pre-spawn bluegill and red ears. There is, if you look, just piles of them. Did it reach them? We'll know if the bobber goes under, because we're using a chunk of nightcrawler, and there ain't no bluegill that can resist a chunk of nightcrawler. Yep, we got one looking at it. See him? Oh, there goes the bobber. Got him. Oh, yeah, that's a good one, too. We got fish on the floor of the boat. All right. Hoo-wee. Hoo-hoo-wee. Another nice bluegill. Oh, boy. Five. Okay. Nah. The fish are just a little further out. Right there. Yep. We should get a bite real quick here. Yep. Another small one. This is a bluegill. Yep. A little too small. But again, got him right through the snout there. Got him that time. Ooh. Ooh. This one might be a little bigger. I hope. Yeah, it's a keeper. All right. Oh. It's got to be a panda of a bluegill. So. There we go. Oh. That didn't take long. But he's a dink. He's a throwback. Got him. Is it the big panda? He's ooh. He's pulling. It might be a donkey. Is it? It's my last keeper, yeah! All right, we did it. We got our inland limit of pinfish, bluegills, I mean. Now we can catch 10 perch. But to do that, we're gonna go deeper and we're gonna go bobberless. Everybody, if you can, get out here. It's awesome.